So the first thing you do is open up your Instagram, and then at the bottom here you tap on, and then on top here you tap on three lines at the top right corner. Then you can see all this. So you scroll down, tap on business tools and controls. So you scroll down to switch account type, which is this particular one. Tap on it. Then tap on switch to personal account. Now if you switch to personal account, you will lose access to enough insights or insights from all your content, including your promotions. So if you still want to switch to personal account from business account, tap on switch to personal account. Give it a few seconds, and you'll be back to your personal account. You've been switched to personal account. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.